Hello people, Gabby Thailand here. People are asking about 5-star places. I've brought you down to Jomtien, to very nice 5-star apartments. This is part of coming down from Sukhumvit Road, now Jomtien, coming down and around along Second Road. This here is the Espana condominiums and apart hotel. You can put your, if you buy an apartment, you can put it into the hotel that they are guaranteeing 6% per year interest on 3 years, so whatever that means. So let's show you around down here first what's going on. This project will be ready, finished at the end of 2018, and people will start taking them on, paying for them 2019, very early. There's only 20% left for sale. So let's show you around and show you what's available. Show you the studio, the 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom apartments. They are very nice. So let's get around. Well, he's well balanced. Uh-oh. Oh, all right, I'll move. Hello, Swadikap. Fishing. Oh, you catch nothing. Oh. Go and go. This is the gymnasium at the Espana condominiums. Quite extensive. It's a large room, all brand new, up-to-date systems, machines. I ain't got a clue. I'm not a gymnasium person. You might have noticed. But all excellent equipment. When you're finished in the gymnasium, you can come to here, just across. This is the restrooms, changing. Also they have sauna, steam room, showers. The plunge pools, hot and cold. Another shower. All very nice, but as you would expect with a 5-star resort. They're not mixed. One is for ladies, one for gentlemen, but you have a waiting room here. So if you come out of the sauna, you're still waiting for your lady or your partner, you can wait here for them to come out. A gentleman's toilet's over here. Nice sink, nice touch. 2 at a time, that's your lot. What a stunning building. Let's go up and check out the rooms. See you up there. Oh, we're going to check out a studio, a 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom. See you there. Okay, this is the studio apartment for the España, which starts at 2.1 million baht. They are pretty much 5-star. This is how they come with furnishings. With appliances, sink, kitchenette, bathroom, shower. All very nice. 24 square metre. The 1-bedrooms start at 2.8 million. These are 35 square metres. Again with kitchenette, fridge, microwave, air conditioning, flat screen TV, and the bedrooms are quite amazing. Space for TV there. Maybe it will come with a TV there. But the bathroom, that's obviously cupboards. Sink. Large shower room with pretty much separate WC. Starting at 2.8 million baht. With furnishings. You won't get all this, but the furnishings you see is what they come with. Let's check the 2-bedroom at 6 million baht. So, 2-bedroom, 70 square metres. That's the lounge area. Beautiful. More of a full kitchen, but as part of the lounge. TV area. Main bedroom. Again, same type, same style, just a little bit bigger. Plenty of wardrobe space. mirror. Zzz. Second bedroom, they're end to end, so they're out the way. Again, bathroom, good size shower with a little shelf unit there. Bedroom 2. A good size wardrobe. Very nice, very posh, and starting at 6 million baht. So that's the Espana Condominiums, John TM, Second Road, 5-star, everything. Will be completed, finished end of this year, 2018, and light went there, and ready to take over for 2019. It is an apart hotel, so you can put your rooms, apartments in with the hotel, which for 3 years they're guaranteeing 6% return. So that's not bad. So that's it for now. If you liked it, thumbs up, like and share. It is for those that are looking to buy investment here. There is a lot happening. People are buying. So maybe when I'm ready, I'll get myself sold up in Spain. I'll be at the Espana, who knows? So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.
And the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do